But let's say that I want to rearrange how it's displayed. So I will look for an item with a picture. This one.
Paul.
Okay. So by default you have this, one large picture and one tiny picture. So just for the sake of the example, I will rearrange the layout. That's the third and last section of this video. So you will press Alt, the Alt key, and click. With this you make the editing component. You can rearrange, move it. So I will increase margins. Let's say like this. Now the answer. And I want to increase this, the size of this. Just a tiny bit. Okay, now I'm done. The question is, how will this look when I review? So this is how it looks now. Oh, something that happened is that I have one picture at the question side and the other at the answer side. Now the question is how you can change that very easily. I don't want this. Let's say I don't want this at the question side. So right click on it and click answer. Now you will see that the answer has the check mark. So now I see nothing at all. And both at the same time. That depends on you. In some cases you will need the picture, and this is not giving you away the answer, because you still have to recall how it is in English. But that's not actually the case, because you have the word inside the picture. It's giving you away the answer. So I could unmark this, the first picture, and check the answer. And now I see it on the question side. It's okay. Now, tooth will prevent opposite direction. Okay, now I got what I'm asking about, but I have to recall what it is. It's okay. Now I got even more specific if I need to. And I think that covers the basics. That's all you need for cosmetics for now, if you really want to change those. And keep in mind, this is template level, so the rearrangement does not affect pronunciation. So if I go to any pronunciation,
Adjacent.
It's still the same layout. Adjust the basics. I covered, I think, everything you could have about the cosmetics. If you are still browsing the possibility of getting the Advanced English Collection, I will suggest using the link below, so you will support my work and it won't cost you anything extra.